Think Einstein knew it all? For decades, Albert Einstein has been the face of genius, the man whose theories reshaped our understanding of space, time, and the very fabric of reality. But what if I told you that even Einstein, with all his brilliance, couldn't quite grasp the full strangeness of the universe? MIT's new discovery might just change everything we thought we knew about the universe. In the heart of one of the world's most prestigious research institutions, a team of physicists has pulled off an experiment so precise, so mind-bending, that it's forcing scientists everywhere to rethink the rules of reality itself. Einstein hated one thing about quantum mechanics: its randomness. He was a firm believer in a universe governed by order and predictability, famously declaring, "God does not play dice with the universe." But quantum mechanics, the science of the very small, seemed to defy that logic at every turn. He called it spooky action at a distance. This was his way of describing the bizarre phenomenon where particles separated by vast distances could instantly affect each other's state, something that seemed impossible, even to him. But what if reality is even stranger than he imagined? What if the universe is not just unpredictable, but fundamentally unknowable at its deepest level? That's exactly what MIT's latest experiment suggests. Let's talk about the famous double-slit experiment, where particles can act like waves, and waves can act like particles. This experiment is the ultimate mind-bender. Fire a single electron at a barrier with two slits, and it seems to go through both at once, creating an interference pattern as if it were a wave. And yet, when you try to observe which slit the electron goes through, the pattern vanishes, and the electron behaves like a particle again. It's as if the universe changes its rules the moment you look. For over a century, this experiment has baffled even the brightest minds. Nobel laureates, theoretical physicists, and students alike have all tried to make sense of it, but the mystery has only deepened. But now, MIT researchers have taken things to the next level. Using technology that Einstein could only have dreamed of, they've managed to isolate and control quantum particles with unprecedented precision. Using cutting-edge tech, they stripped the experiment down to its quantum core. By removing every possible source of interference, they created the purest test of quantum weirdness ever attempted. What did they find? The results were nothing short of astonishing. The particles didn't just behave unpredictably, they seemed to defy any attempt to pin down their reality until the very last moment. Particles behaving in ways Einstein never dreamed of, proving that quantum mechanics is weirder and more real than he ever admitted. The experiment showed that the act of measurement doesn't just reveal reality, it actually helps create it. This means that at the quantum level, reality is not fixed until it's observed. The equations on the board aren't just abstract math, they're a window into a world where possibilities exist side by side and only become real when we look. So, why does this matter? Because it challenges everything we thought we knew about how the universe works. If reality is shaped by observation, then the old dream of a clockwork universe, predictable, mechanical, and certain, is gone for good. Because these results confirm, at the tiniest scales, reality isn't just uncertain, it's unpredictable in ways that break the old rules of physics. The universe is not a tidy machine but a place of endless possibility and surprise. It's as if the very foundations of physics have been shattered and we're left to pick up the pieces and build a new understanding from scratch. The old models can't explain what's happening, so it's time for something new. Experts are calling this one of the most precise quantum demonstrations ever. The scientific community is buzzing, and some are even saying this could be the beginning of a new era in physics. Einstein's dream of a predictable universe, officially busted. The evidence is now overwhelming. The universe is far stranger and far more fascinating than even its greatest minds could have imagined. And here's the kicker: quantum weirdness is the foundation of tomorrow's tech. Quantum computers, unbreakable encryption, teleportation experiments, and technologies that sound like pure science fiction are all being built on these bizarre principles. The devices being developed today could revolutionize everything from medicine to communication, and even the way we think about information itself. The future is being written in the language of quantum mechanics. Einstein may have missed this one, but science just got a whole lot more interesting. The universe is more mysterious, more unpredictable, and more exciting than we ever dared to dream. Hit subscribe if you're ready to explore the quantum unknown. The next breakthrough could be just around the corner and you won't want to miss it.